Okay, love bugs. Today I teamed up with UNICE. They sent me over this beautiful wavy 7x5 Bye Knots lace wig. She's in the length 24 inches and she is giving that splat. I'm headed to dance as always, but first I had to catch a vibe and just, you know, feel myself a little bit. You guys already know this is my favorite texture when it comes to, you know, just living in my element. I almost like when it gets a little bit matted and a little bit frizzy, but for now it's fresh and it's fine. We went with a 100% glueless install, just a little melting spray, and we kind of just went like this to kind of like gather up a little baby hair vibe in the front to make it look a little bit natural, a little bit less uniform, if you will. And I love the vibe. We're gonna do a quick and easy hairstyle in this one. Some cute little cornrows on the side as well. So if you want to see how we got the install, the style, and all of the tea, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, it's a surprise rainy day in LA, so I gotta go. It's 3:04. I need to be out of here by 3:15 max. And you guys already know where I'm headed. This is why I love UNICE, because I can count on them to get me in and out in 5 minutes. Okay, so you guys already know the drill. This is the hairline and how the wig looks straight out of the box. Look at that luster and how gorgeous. This one here is a pre-everything Bye Knots wig with a 7x5 closure. You can see here we have pre-cut lace, pre-bleach knots, pre-plucked hairline with that nice scallop cut, and that scallop is going to act like camo on the hairline when it melts really nicely. This here is a look at that 7x5 closure from the inside. You have your 2 combs here, adjustable strap in the center. We're going to adjust it like that. We have a larger comb in the back, so 3 combs total. Adjustable straps in the back, so we're going to adjust those. And we also have a drawstring. So let's not waste any time. Again, it's raining out in California, LA specifically. It was cloudy this morning, but it was a little bit of sun, so I didn't even know it was gonna rain today. Oh yes, this feels like home. This feels like comfort. This feels like me, like I am home, baby. Doesn't matter what hairstyle I do, this is always gonna eat the best. This is what she looks like from the front, and this is what the wig looks like from the back. Beautiful wavy texture, nice and long and full, and the curls are absolutely gorgeously defined. Really quickly, I pinned up the wig so we can get a quick demo of the drawstring. Here you see the wig. The drawstring is not pulled at all, so it's a little bit looser on me with no drawstring, and that's perfectly fine because there are some people in the world who have a big enough head that where they need all this space, right? Me, I don't need all this space, so I'm going to take my drawstring and I'm just going to rely on it. There's a stopper there, and I'm just going to use the stopper to find how tight I want it adjusted. That is how tight I just want it adjusted, and as you see, it's not moving or going anywhere. Once you find your perfect adjustment, you tuck that drawstring in. There also is a comb back here, if you can see that. So if you want to use a comb, you nicely tuck the drawstring in, set your comb in, and the back of your wig is nicely installed. Now from here we have a super snug glueless fit, especially because of that drawstring. So if you don't want to do much at all, you really don't have to. For me, I'm gonna add a little bit of this because we're going to do no baby hair today, and I find that every time I keep it 100% glueless with no spray and no baby hair, when I take my pictures, I promise you I'm able to see the hairline. So with that, the finesse of it all is you can just take and just squiggle that up, ruffle it up if you will, and that'll kind of set and dry and give you more of a natural look. And don't touch it. And then from there, I'm gonna add a little bit of lace tint. The cream seems to be where it's at, just because I feel like when I use the powder, again, I feel like when I take my pictures, I'm able to see that powder, but the cream kind of melts like butter. So I just packed shade 15 cream foundation into the parting, and I'm gonna pack shade 16 cream foundation Ruby Kisses into the hairline. Again, I kind of want it messy, natural, no baby hair, just fun and liberated, right? But you still want to pack that product into the lace and make sure that the lace doesn't look crazy. And I think that looks amazing. You can take and cut some of those pieces so they sit and lay organically. And it'll be even better to use a razor. I just got a fresh tub of the Lotta Body mousse. I bought 2 because Dakota has been super interested in learning how to do her own baby hair. She's of course into the skincare and all of the things, and I love it. So okay, and just like that, I'm gonna go literally like this. I love this look here, no heat needed. You can even just put a little mousse over the hair. I wanted to have that dry, natural, almost frizzy look. See, like I really don't want this look. I want it to be that dry and natural, but sometimes you gotta add a little product and then let it dry back down. Always take care of the ends and fluff it up. And just like that, we are done with the look. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me give you a 360. I love it exactly like this. I don't want to define the curls more. I want it fluffy and big, and I just want it to be like Mufasa. I like the hairline to look very natural and untamed, and I even want to add a milk belt, which I'll probably add on my trek to dance class. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 cornrows. I'm gonna part them out and do like either twisties or cornrows going back, maybe 2, 3, or 4. I think that'll be cute, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that you're seeing it styled with the twisties or the cornrows, whichever one I decided, because I don't even know. Okay, love bugs, it's been about a week since we originally installed this hair, and this has been my everyday go-to unit. Today I went ahead and just wet her down with a little bit of water, a little bit of mousse, and this is where we are. I haven't tinted the lace or touched up the lace tint any in the past week, so maybe today we should do that. I think I want to do 2 cornrows today, so you guys can listen to some music, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to style this one up using a good old rat tail comb and maybe some little tiny rubber bands. Let's see what we can come up with for the vibes. Okay, I like the baby hair like this. Okay, love bugs, so this is the look. I am headed out to dinner with the family. It's actually a Saturday night, and I'm super excited to go out and just, you know, have a good little fun night with the family. We are definitely going to Yard House because it's kind of like that place where everyone has a taste for something different and they can all get what they want, and we still like it and haven't burnt out. But this is the look. As I promised, I did like 2 cornrows up front. Now, if you watch this channel faithfully, you know it's been a minute since I did some cornrows, so don't judge. I recommend taking the wig off, like pinning it onto a wig head to get your cornrows real tight. Either that or like put a milk belt around the lace, the hairline, in order for it to like hold in place, because I kind of did it in a loose way because I didn't want to just keep like grabbing on the lace for it to lift. Also, you guys know that UNICE now has these thinner bands, so it makes it easier to like hold the lace down but not be in the way of like braiding. But for now, you know, this is the look, this is the vibe. This is like what babies look like. You know how you twist your baby's hair and it's just too soft, fine to really get in there and get some good braids, but it's still cute and a vibe. That's what I'm feeling, and it's almost nighttime, so this is gonna dry up really beautifully, and now we can get back to the rest of the video. Oh, and we added a little bit of baby hair. I hope you guys like that detail. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. Let's go ahead and check out the packaging. So this one here is from UNICE as promised. Inside you do get this bag here, and this is the protection bag. Your wig is disinfected by UNICE, and they put it in a bag like this and seal it up. This one here is a 7x5 by knots lace wig in the length 24 inches. And then here inside the actual box we do get some goodies. Here we have a sheet of the by knots tape, and if you can't tell, everywhere where you see the word by knots is a new tape or strip of tape. So this is going to work great if you want to go ahead and melt and bond on your wig down for real, for real. We got a pack of HD wig caps, and these are exclusive to UNICE. Trying to hide my little broke press on. Next, we do have a baby hair brush. This one is nice and thick and beefy. It has an extra brush head on the end so you can switch it out, and it also has that rat tail. And then we got not one, not two, but three baby hair. Also the baby hair brushes. Not one, not two, but three melt belts or wig bands. This is the original OG UNICE one that we all know and love, and they have made some new and improved ones. These two are very thin compared to the original. I don't know if it's a glare too much, but I don't want to open them quite yet. It's almost a little bit less than half, or a little bit more than half size of the original. Very perfect to just get right in there and go literally on top of that lace. So all you need, a little pressure there to kind of melt it down, and it comes in two cute little styles, plus you have the OG original. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.